call it vibe, shooting shots, why not?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Quay, man. Today, here making a Doritos Casserole. So, if you didn't hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, man. It's finna be lit. But yo, we're finna get into this video. Let's go. So, today, we got your nacho cheese, sweet, spicy. Oh, I said it backwards. Spicy, sweet, chili. Got our two famous chick seasonings. If you don't got these seasonings, you're doing something wrong. You hear me? You're doing something wrong, so go get these seasonings right here.
Roll it,
Got your Cajun seasoning, garlic ranch.
roll it,
Garlic ranch, put the taste in. Your taco seasoning mix too. This do something to you too when you're making a casserole or a dip or anything.
roll it.
Dang, my hands are ashy, bro. But yeah, we got a rotel right here, diced tomatoes, green chilies, so it is. Got your cream of chicken. I don't know what this is, but it is said in the instructions. Got your casserole dish. You got my legs and the camera. And over here, we got your meat. Your meat right here, your meat. I use my turkey meat. The reason I use turkey meat today was because I don't really use beef, only sometimes when I make dip. Trying to make sure your meat done, you know what I'm saying? Put it everywhere, man. Let it go all in it. Cause you know it's turkey, so you gotta get it seasoning right. You see the colors change? You gotta zoom in. Can you see the color? You see the colors changing? Smells so good, bro. Tell me the bro, smells good. Ooh.
Okay. Having a hard time, aren't you?
You got chunks of chicken in it. You knew that, right? That's wrong. So we got the raw stuff. We supposed to got cream of soup, but she picked up cream of chicken. But I'm just use cream cheese, man, cause I got my cream cheese. So I'm finna put my taco seasoning in my beef, okay? So
Your turkey.
my turkey, okay? My turkey. So right now, I'm finna put my cream cheese inside of my meat, my turkey.
I ain't never gonna get cream cheese.
Now I'm gonna add my rotel inside my meat, okay? So take your chips, put some chopped up chips at the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna have to put some butter at the bottom of the pan in a minute so the chips won't, you feel me, do what they do. So, starting on my hands actually. We got our butter in the bottom of the pan. So, I'm gonna dump these chips in the bottom of the pan. I'm finna add a layer of this on that, okay? Favorite part. Take your cheese, okay? And just put it all over. Cheesy. So I'm finna crunch them up with my hand. My hand's clean because I wash my hands.
You can move some of them down.
I'll let Tay take over. She said I'm moving slow. This part, boy. I'm about to skip to the part where we got the cheese, okay? I'm about to add the last layer. Then going in the oven. So, done with everything. I'm gonna go in the oven right now, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. Yep. That's what it looked like, you guys. So that's what it looked like. Make sure you hit subscribe button, baby. So okay, this is what we created. But yeah, this is the finishing product. This is what we made right here. It looks good. I'm finna give y'all a taste test and show y'all what it's tasting like. All right. So yeah, I could cook so well, bro. Don't make no sense. Like, I cook so freaking well. But anyway, we finna taste this right here. It smell good. They just smell good, man. All right, fast. Move that chip out of the way. Dang, can't pick it up. All right. I don't like hot food, so yes, it is. All right. W, dog. That joint good. That's, man. Come on. A1 right here. This the best thing I ever made a day in my life, I swear to God. That junk good. Right now, I'm finna end the video, man. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and like this video, man. So, yeah, I'm finna be out.
You caught a vibe, shooting shots, why not?